Hello student, in this video we will be learning about channel capacity. See the next problem. This is on the capacity of a channel. They given a slightly different model in 2006 CSE examination. What is the question is, a communication channel has a bandwidth of 100 mega. The channel is extremely noise such that the signal power is very much below the noise power. Signal power is very much below the noise power. What is the capacity of this channel? Option A will be 100 Mbps, option B 50 Mbps, option C 2400 Mbps, option D nearly 0 Mbps. What is the capacity of a channel formula? C equal to B log base to 1 plus S by N. What is in the given problem? The channel extremely noisy channel such that signal power is very much below the noise power. So S is very low when compared to N. Very low means denominator is more. So you can neglect this term. Then remaining is log 1. Log 1 is 0. So what is the answer? Nearly 0 bits per second. Slightly different model, slight on mathematical calculation. Clear?